For independent practice, you're going to write in your journals the fractions 3/8, 4/5, 2/3, and 5/6. For each fraction, you are going to draw a number line showing the total parts of each one. So for the first one, you should have a number line divided into 8 parts. And then you are going to plot on the number line. You're going to draw your fraction bars to show the unit fractions for each one. And then you are going to make your marker on your number line to represent the fraction that you're working on. So I'm going to do an example to show you what you're expected to do. I'm going to use a different fraction. So I'm going to use the fraction 3/4. And we've seen 3/4 many times. So I'm going to draw a number line. And I know that my number line needs to be divided into fours because my denominator is 4. So remember that 4/4 is equivalent to 1 whole. Okay, now I am going to partition my number line into fours. I'm going to start with point 0. I'm going to find my midway point, and I'm sorry that my number line is kind of squiggly. This is my midway point. So now I know between 0 and 1, I need to partition it into half. And between my halfway point and 1, I'm going to partition it into another half. So now I have the fractions. I have one. Let me partition over the number line. So I have 1. This is showing my parts. 2, 3, and 4. So I have 1/4 here, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and label. Okay, so I have 1/4 for my first marker. My next marker is 2/4, and my next marker is 3/4. So I'm going to make a little marker here to let me know that this is my point that I'm trying to represent on my number line 3/4. I'm going to also go back and shade my bars to also show me 3/4 of my number line from point 0 to 1. This is 3/4 of my number line. Okay. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact your teacher to ask for more help. Have a great day.